The Dry Air Pac from General Air Products has been the go-to standard in cold storage fire sprinkler systems and other applications where moisture removal is essential for over 30 years. Built on that workhorse, we made one a bit more advanced, introducing the Dry Air Pac Advanced series. Engineered for durability, reliability, and performance, it delivers moisture-free air to your sprinkler system, preventing ice plugs and ensuring uninterrupted protection in challenging environments. The upgraded desiccant towers now feature pre-packaged desiccant sleeves, making installation and maintenance simpler and more efficient. The digital control panel offers real-time pressure readings and records run hours and cycles, which makes this unit a powerful troubleshooting tool. Push connect fittings are conveniently located to enable easy inspection, testing, and maintenance. The improved filter assembly allows for quick access for annual replacement, keeping your system running smoothly. Now featuring a 500-gallon capacity oilless option, the Dry Air Pac Advanced series offers a smaller footprint, saving sought-after space in these sensitive applications. Designed and sized to meet NFPA 13 standards and 30-minute fill requirements, these new models are FM approved for use in these mission-critical applications where moisture removal is essential. The Dry Air Pac Advanced series sets a new benchmark in cold storage and moisture-free applications for fire protection air supplies.